For fabricating and installing ductwork used with forced air heating and cooling systems, more HVAC professionals rely on Malco hand tools and accessories to get the job done faster, easier, and with better results. This program will explore Malco's most popular tools of the trade for layout, cutting, and forming sheet metal duct fittings, as well as key tools for cutting and installing fiberglass ductboard and flexible round fiberglass wool duct. Let's start by reviewing some common layout tools. A straight edge is one of the most essential layout tools for sheet metal fabrication. Malco's big 48-inch steel circumference rules not only allow you to scribe accurate straight lines, they also feature a handy conversion table to calculate the circumference of a cylinder or closed piece of round duct by simply measuring the diameter. And a versatile semi-flexible model circumference rule can be used to lay out irregular curves when set on edge. Handy Malco combination squares are available for quickly aligning sheet metal, marking corners for seams and edges, and scribing 45-degree angles. Both the compact 12-inch and big 16-inch sizes feature accurate and easy-to-use self-aligning draw bolts. The 16-inch square features a hardened Scriber and pencil guide. For scribing, marking, centering, or even piercing metal, Malco offers a full line of tool steel scratch awls with fine tapered points. Blade diameters range from 1/8 inch to 3/8 inch. The rugged, shatterproof handles are available in either a traditional large diameter palm bearing grip or a screwdriver handle style. You can quickly scribe trim lines from 1/4 inch to 12.5 inch depths with Malco's adjustable Scriber. Measure and mark with just one tool. And utilizing a Malco zip-in sheet metal screw as a scribing point assures that a fresh, sharp point is always close at hand. Handy pocket-sized Malco scribers include an edge scriber graduated in 10 preset depths from 1/8 inch to 1 inch. Malco's pen-shaped carbide-tipped scriber is another pocket-sized option. The long-wearing retractable tip is also replaceable. Versatile Malco dividers and Trammel points are the tools of choice for scribing precise circles and arcs. Malco dividers can be used to scribe small or large circles and arcs. They can also be used to quickly bisect lines or to step off stretch-out distances for curved heel and throat patterns of fittings. Trammels easily reach to lay out arcs in large patterns or from distant intersecting points. They can also copy and replicate extended measurements. All Malco dividers and Trammel points feature resharpenable and replaceable points. Metal cutting tasks are most readily identified with the HVAC trade, and Malco has the broadest and deepest line of metal cutting snips and tools in the industry. Malco's Max 2000 aviation snip is legendary. No other snip outcuts, outmaneuvers, or outlasts the Max. Fine blanked alloy steel jaws are specially ground to assure Max 2000 premium performance and durability. The serrated lower jaw grips material securely, and the ground tips allow easy access inside tight clearances and into corners. An ergonomic grip maximizes the hand's natural power stroke, and the riveted head-to-handle compound power linkage is designed to last for the life of the tool. Steel handle shafts extend through the handle grips to assure that handles will not fail with normal use. An easily accessible right, left, or top opening thumb latch and long-life, easily replaceable compression spring complete this ultimate aviation snip package. These same Max features are also available in an offset design for user preferences when making blind cuts or cutting curved surfaces, and a snub-nosed bulldog style makes shorter work of cutting through heavy metal gauges and multi-layered metal and seams. And now the original Max 2000 is complemented with a classic grip option, offering a fit and feel for traditional preferences. Plus, AV's branded aviation snips from Malco Products offer a quality forged jaw alternative as well. Full aviation snip families of left cutting, right cutting, offset designs, and multi-directional yellow-handled aviation snips are available in 3 distinct trademark designs to fit your on-the-job requirements. Malco's Andy aluminum-handled snip is revered as the lightweight snip with the strength of steel. The Andy snip features cutlery-grade steel blades inset in a lightweight aluminum frame. After extended use, these blades can be resharpened or replaced if necessary. The blades of this Andy snip are pressure fit, so they can be replaced by simply removing the pivot bolt nut. Andy pattern snips with a light gray handle frame have flat ground blades for making long straight cuts and mild curve cuts. The inset blades of Andy combination snips, which sport a darker handle frame, are bevel ground. Tip this combination snip slightly to the right for making easy straight cuts and left or right circle cuts as tight as a 6-inch diameter. More compact 12-inch Andy snips feature a generous 3-inch cutting length, while big 14-inch Andys can make a full 3¼ inch cut. For smaller hands, the 12-inch Andy is also available in a gripped model in either pattern or combination styles. A second Andy snip line, the Andy Classic, was created with the reintroduction of original Andy styling. The rounded design and smaller handle loops of the Classic offer a choice for the user who prefers the fit and feel of the original Andy snip. Malco's Navigator ultra-lightweight combination snip features a glass-filled polymer handle frame with inset blades. The Navigator comes in 10-inch, 12-inch, and 14-inch sizes. The compact and very maneuverable 10-inch size with the characteristic slim Navigator profile and loopless spring-return handles make it a particularly versatile snip for a variety of applications. Forged all-steel snips are available from Malco in a 12½-inch regular pattern for straight cuts and wide curves, and a big 16½-inch bulldog pattern for trim cuts and notches in the heaviest metal duct fabrications. All-steel circular duck-bill designs are available in 7-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch sizes. To eliminate bulges or overlaps at the folded corner of a duct fitting, Malco hand notchers are the answer. Available with either a 13/16 or a 1-inch throat depth, these tools make V-shaped corner notches faster and with greater accuracy than 2 cuts made with a metal snip. Operation is easy. Extra linkage between the jaws and the hardened steel handle stampings provide powerful compound handle leverage assistance for the user, and vinyl grips with stops offer added comfort and ease of use. The hook tip of the notcher's forged cutting jaw facilitates notching corners or takeoff tabs to the desired depth without slipping. Rust-resistant nickel-chrome plating and a locking latch for storage assure a long service life and complete this signature Malco hand tool construction. For making long bends in sheet metal or fabricating shapes as small as a 4-inch square, Malco's portable mini brake is the ideal job site tool. A 1/4-inch plate steel apron and adjustable strengthening ribs on the brake's anvil assure uniform bends up to 135 degrees in 22-gauge galvanized steel. Dual direction, cam-over style clamps keep the anvil secure in any position. This safety feature prevents the anvil from free falling or creating a pinching hazard. The mini brake accommodates sheet metal up to 4 feet wide in any length. Malco's portable mini brake operates virtually anywhere on the job site, even a truck tailgate. Legs are available separately and are easily installed in the field. Malco folding tools are perhaps the most basic type of mini brake. Folding seams are formed from two steel halves permanently joined together. Handy sight holes assure proper depth alignment. Folding tools are ideal for HVAC applications such as joist panning, folds for drive cleats, plenums, register boots, trunk line end caps, and more. Combination 3/8 and 1-inch folding tools are available in 12, 18, and big 24-inch widths, while a 3/8 and 1/2-inch combination is available in a 12 or compact 8-inch width. Plus, a versatile 9-inch Malco folding tool quickly adjusts for making 1/4 inch to 1.5-inch deep folds in 1/4 inch increments. Hand seamers, sometimes referred to as handbrakes, are another on-the-job option for bending as well as flattening and straightening sheet metal. The 1 1/4 inch depth of the forged steel jaws is graduated in 1/4 inch increments. Malco hand seamers are available in 3-inch and 6-inch widths. An offset model is also available in the 3-inch width and is ideal for working overhead. And tight-gripping Malco seamers are regularly used to assist moving sheet metal around the job site, helping to avoid contact with sharp edges. For airtight connections in rectangular duct, the Malco Snap-Lock Punch is a fast and economical on-the-job solution. The Snap-Lock Punch creates a small, louver-shaped projection in the metal duct edge that locks into the rolled seam edge located on the narrow side of the duct. Save your hands by using a Malco wooden mallet to lock the punched edge into the rolled seam. Malco setting hammers and traditional riveting hammer designs are the clear preference for closing the seams of Pittsburgh locks. The 1-inch steel I-beam construction sports fully polished and beveled heads with a choice of leather or vinyl grips. Use both the face and cheeks of these hammers to close a Pittsburgh lock seam and assure an airtight connection. A Malco duct stretcher is the quick and easy way to align duct sections and install drive connectors and S-cleats. Lightweight aluminum duct stretchers are available with straight or offset handles to handle any tight corner or overhead obstruction. An all-steel locking duct stretcher frees up both hands while aligning duct sections. Oh, and for temporarily suspending ductwork during installation, Malco duct holders are like a second pair of hands. Airtight round duct connections demand the one and only Malco Pipe Crimper. The Pipe Crimper produces a male connection that allows the user to join same-size pieces of round duct. Longer, shallower double crimps produced with the tool's 5 blades result in a tighter fitting, more self-supporting leak-proof connection. An offset crimper model is also available for working overhead. Precise takeoff holes for running supply air is a breeze with the Malco hole cutter. 2 adjustable hole cutter models are available. Choose from a hole cutting range and capacity of 2 inches to 12 inches or 2 inches to 20 inches in 20-gauge galvanized steel. The Malco hole cutter inserts into the chuck of a standard AC electric drill. Adjusting for hole diameters is fast and easy. The same mill bit that is used to cut the hole is also used to drill a center hole for the tool's pivot pin, located directly under the adjustment nut. No marking is required. The tool is rotated clockwise and should be tipped slightly so that the bottom of the mill bit leads as it cuts sideways. The mill bit can also be adjusted to reveal a fresh cutting edge and prolong its life. Mill cutter bits are also easily replaced as a normal wearing part. The larger 20-inch capacity hole cutter operates in the very same manner as the smaller model. Both hole cutters feature lightweight aluminum frames and drill shafts equipped with speed bearings to assure perfect cutting balance and long service life. For square hole cutting, tight pattern cuts, cutting through spiral duct, and just plain fast shearing, Malco turbo shears are truly amazing. These rugged but inexpensive accessories insert directly into the chuck of a standard AC or go-anywhere cordless electric drill. Turbo shears cut straight and to the left and are capable of navigating tight curved patterns and square corners with ease. Blind cuts require only a small starting hole for the blade tips. The original 20-gauge capacity turbo shear can even tackle metal enclosures for equipment, such as a furnace jacket, for example. For added flexibility, an optional drill clamp is available to convert the original turbo shear model for one-handed use. A clamping device is standard with the turbo shear HD model. This one-hand operation heavy-duty shear attaches to a 14.4-volt or larger AC or cordless drill and cuts 18-gauge galvanized steel and most other common sheet metals, including the layered metal seams of spiral duct. The popularity of fiberglass ductboard and flexible round fiberglass wool duct has created a whole new category of tools of the trade for the HVAC industry. Malco's fast groove system of numbered and color-coded tools for fiberglass ductboard offers individual tool components and kits for both shiplap and V-groove fabrication in 1-inch and 1.5-inch board. The fast groove system allows the user to lay out and cut ductboard without having to mark cuts or calculate add-on dimensions. After making an initial shiplap step on the duct's outer edge with a number 1 gray tool, use the fast groove square to measure short and long sides of the duct from each previous cut. Use the next tool in the numbered sequence to cut the next groove along the upright leg of the square. Offsets are predetermined by the tool widths. Blade depths on the durable, lightweight aluminum sled tools are easily adjustable with the turn of a knob. And blades are also easily replaced. After using the number 5 tool, use the fast groove duct knife to trim the staple flap. The duct section is now ready to be folded, stapled, and taped. Fast groove single blade shiplap knives are available in male and female styles for cutting and joining shortened duct sections. Use the handy Malco fiberglass duct hole cutter to create takeoffs in ductboard. This hole cutter is supplied with a standard double-point utility blade for cutting takeoff holes in 1-inch board. A special 1.5-inch ductboard blade is also available separately. The fiberglass duct hole cutter is adjustable for making precise holes ranging from a big 20-inch diameter hole down to a small 4-inch hole, quick and easy. A manual cutoff tensioning tool is a common tool choice for securing a nylon tie around a flex duct takeoff collar. Malco offers gripped and ungripped manual cutoff models. Both have a comfortable handle opening and reduced pinch point area. These rugged job site tools feature a unique notched gripper to prolong service life. Malco's adjustable high-leverage tensioning tool features an automatic cutoff mechanism. Designed for heavy, continuous use on the job, the user can set the desired tension that will automatically engage a cutoff blade to trim the excess tie. Nylon tie installation is fast and easy. Easy on the user, too, with contoured handles, vinyl cushion grips, and hand stops. The original Malco Flex Duct Cutter features a built-in wire cutter that allows you to finish the cutting job you started with just one tool. A double-edged blade cleanly pierces through the duct skin and insulation and cuts from either direction around the duct circumference. The wire cutter easily shears the hardened wire rib coil with the aid of compound leverage handles and hardened all-steel construction. Non-slip vinyl grips offer added comfort and control. A Malco Flex Duct Shear offers a scissor-cutting alternative for flex duct. A pointed bottom blade is used to pierce the duct skin in insulation. A thumb screw latch keeps the scissor blades closed for storage. When traveling light in confined areas or crawl spaces, the multi-purpose flex duct tool does it all, including tensioning and trimming the nylon tie. And for safe transport and storage of all these flex duct cutting tools, a durable leather sheath is a highly recommended accessory. For all your duct fabrication needs, get the professional results you want, faster, easier, with the professional tools you need. Tools of the Trade by Malco. Look for them wherever quality tools are sold.